Hello and welcome to VDCI CAD Teacher DAC 222 Intermediate Photoshop. This course is designed for individuals who have completed Introduction to Photoshop and wish to further apply, reinforce, and expand upon Photoshop skills. Throughout this course, students will walk through the process of envisioning, designing, and creating 3 pop-up banners for a client. In Lesson 1, we'll create the first banner and review photo adjustments, text editing, and vector shape creation. In Lesson 2, we'll develop the second banner emphasizing skills in selection strategy, masks, shape design strategies, and typekit fonts. Throughout Lesson 3, we'll be working with multiple images and make a photo composite. In Lesson 4, we'll finalize our third banner and work with channels and exports to create our final image previewing all 3 banners that we've created. For more information regarding DAC 222 Intermediate Photoshop, or to sign up for an on-site or online course, please go to vdci.edu.